a little get ready with Kona. I need to get a Kong toy. Come on, where's your Kong? Here. Hi guys, I am back. I thought I would get on here, kind of explain where I was, what I was thinking, and what happened over the summer, and we can talk a little bit about where this channel is going in the future. So settle in. And yeah, it's gonna be a super quick get ready with me. It's gonna be more chatty than anything. But anyway, let's just get started. Put the hair up. Oh, that's another thing. I dyed my hair. It is now, it used to be like a jet black. It's kind of faded out a little bit, which I like, to sort of a soft brown at the ends where my hair was bleached, but I dyed my hair black. Let me know what you think. I have mixed feelings about it, so we'll see what I end up going with this, but I might do a little bit lighter, I might keep it black, but for now I do like it. For now I do. I just wish it would grow out a little bit, or I'm deciding whether or not I should chop it off to like my chin length. I've had hair that length before, but I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, putting the hair back, the new hair that y'all haven't seen, and then we're gonna do a super quick get ready with me and then just chat a little bit about what's been going on. So I don't really have a reason for not filming except for the fact that I was just like, I don't know if I want to continue doing YouTube. And then, you know, I was working this summer at my 2L summer associate position, and I was like, I don't know if I want to film. So I kind of just gave myself the summer to think about it. And now that I've started my 3L year, I'm kind of like, yeah, I want to get back and I want to do this. I saw that I got over 100 subscribers while I was gone, which is like so cool. Thank you guys so much for your support. It was like, I just left for months, and then I was, you know, I would get an email every so often when I get a new comment, but I was just so excited to see 100 people subscribe to my channel. So, you know, this is for all of you newcomers. I'm so happy that you're here and that we can hang out. A little introduction about myself. My name is Maddie. I do lifestyle videos on here, you know, wardrobe, makeup, chatty things, sometimes advice. I don't know why I give advice, because I'm not exactly the most well-adjusted person in the world, but sometimes I feel inspired. What else about me? I have a boyfriend. We've been together for over 8 years now, and he lives here with me. I am a third-year law student, so I'm going to be finishing up law school in May, which is crazy to think about. I have a dog now. Kona, she's right here. Come on. Let me see if I can get her to stand up. Come here, Kona. So she is our lab rescue. We adopted her a few months ago up at an animal shelter in our state, and she is the light of our life, in addition to our cat, which is, he's right here. You've seen Fitz before. He hangs out. They're both big goofballs. They get along well. If Kona ever gets too close, Fitz just smacks her a few times in the face, and it's fine. So I'm gonna try to get her out of the way now, because she's gonna wanna be at the center of attention like normal, but they'll hang out in the back of the video and, you know, peep in whenever they want to. So besides adopting a puppy dog, what else happened this summer? So gosh, after I finished my finals, I think that was one of my last videos, I had a finals week video, or finals week day in the life go up. I had a week of an intercession class, which was really interesting. It was on criminal law, which I'm not planning on practicing criminal law, but it was really interesting. And then I started my summer associate position. I should probably tell you what products I'm using. On my face, no surprise, I use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I kind of dotted that all over my face. And then I'm using this. You guys are gonna think this is gross. So this is my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I have it in the shade Caramel Toffee. Look at that. It is so messed up. This has literally come off. I have to put it in my like makeup storage, just like, yeah. But anyway, I really like this. I really like the yellow powder to set my face because I have yellow undertones. Yeah, so I started my summer associate position and that was 12 weeks long. During that time, what happened? So obviously we adopted Kona and that was in early June. And then we got a car. My boyfriend got a new car because he is commuting every day 30 minutes both ways so like 30 minutes each way, so like an hour total, to a different city. And he started his job as a science teacher, a high school science teacher, without being too specific. He really likes it. He's having so much fun. He loves working with the kids, working with teenagers, so he is really enjoying it. Now that he's back, because if you remember before, he was in Italy teaching abroad. So he's back here full time. Maybe we'll do like a Q&A with him. I don't know. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see and I can make that happen for you. What else happened? We got new phones. I mean, that was kind of exciting. It was damn expensive. And I started my 3L year. Akash went to India. He's Indian American, if you can't tell from his name. So he went back for a family thing. I was here obviously watching the pets. That's kind of been it. It's just been a really busy summer, you know, but a good one. It's always good being busy. And now I think I'm gonna come back. So why did I leave in the first place? It wasn't like a conscious decision. I wasn't like, I need to take time off. All the hate online, I haven't gotten any hate online, so like that's nothing to worry about. But I was just kind of like, I don't know if I want to do it anymore right now. Like I wasn't sure if it was something that I wanted to continue with. And then things got busy over the summer, so there was always like an easy excuse not to film. So then school year picks back up. Now I started classes last week. You know, I have a lot more time and I really missed you guys and I missed making videos and having like something to do. And when I saw that my channel is actually growing, I was like, oh my gosh, I like owe it to you guys to continue making these videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. By the way, this is the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. I got this in my BoxyCharm a few months ago. By the way, I canceled my BoxyCharm, not because I don't think it's worth it and I didn't like it, but we are cash strapped at the moment. So we are saving as much money as we can. We just have a lot of bills coming up this semester. We're basically just, you know, tightening our belts or whatever the phrase is and kind of cutting unnecessary expenses. So that might be an idea for some videos that we can do, like real budget kind of thing, shopping my closet, shopping my stash, doing things to kind of keep, you know, to keep expenses in check, that kind of stuff. So that's it, by the way, for the face. I'm doing something like super easy today. I can't be bothered. Yeah, so like I said, I didn't really go anywhere or, you know, make a conscious decision to like not do anything. I kind of just like didn't. And then you know how like when you don't do something, the like, it like builds inertia almost and you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to keep doing this, blah, blah, blah. But I do. I came back and I was like, I looked at my old videos and I was like, oh my gosh, I missed you guys. Ugh. And some of my videos have like thousands of views. So that's like super exciting. I doubt this one will get too many views, but I just want to give everyone an update. Let's do this mascara. Pause for a second because I can't do mascara and talk at the same time, so we'll fast forward. Every time. Okay, I got mascara on my nose. We're gonna ignore that for now and wait for it to dry before I kind of wipe it off. And the last thing we're gonna do is my lipstick. This lipstick, so this is the Essence Long Lasting Lipstick in a nude shade. It's in Cool and Nude. I wear this like every single day. It feels like a lip balm. It has beautiful color and it's super comfortable. As good as any high-end lipstick I have. And I have like expensive high-end lipsticks. And I actually prefer to wear this one. I'm gonna go clean this off. I'll be right back. Would not be one of my videos if I didn't have mascara somewhere on my face, not on my eyelashes. Anyway, I think that's about it for all the updates that I have for you guys. I think going forward this semester, I think in semesters because I'm still a student, so let's just say through the rest of this year, there's some really big life changes coming up that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So I think some of my content will be centered around that change, and then I think I might be doing like 1 or 2 videos a week. I don't know at this point. What do you guys prefer? Like more or less? I don't know. I always like, whenever I follow YouTubers that I like, I'm always like more content. No, it's like kind of hard to think of good ideas. Frankly, maybe if we get to 200, I'll do a Q&A. How about that? I feel like there's not enough right now to do a Q&A. If you have questions, just like leave them in the comments and I'll answer them for you. But I was thinking maybe bring my boyfriend on. We could do some like boyfriend tag or something and you guys can learn about him. I can do videos on maybe decorating on a budget. That's what I was thinking. I still want to make this place feel homey and things like that. So maybe I'll do some budget decor, or maybe like a full face of makeup under like $10 or $15 or something like that. That might be kind of fun. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Can't wait to chat with you and see you guys again. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I can't believe that we're over 100 subs. Like, what? This was like my goal initially. I was like, I just want to get to 100 subs. Like, I just want to get to 100 subs. And I did not think it was gonna happen. And then it just happened when I wasn't here. So I'm like just a horrible person. I'm sorry about that. And yeah, leave me a like if you like this video. Check out my other videos. They're from earlier this spring, but that's okay. They're still work. And yeah, I'm looking forward to making some more content for you guys. So just stay tuned, all right? Love you all. Bye.